I'm going to create the world's biggest YouTube play button. If you don't know what the play button is, this is an award given to YouTubers for reaching 1 million subscribers. I have done crazy things like remaining naked in a video, but I've never done such a great project. So it's gonna be very, very difficult for me. I don't even know what to start from. The reason why I'm doing this is to surprise you guys and surprise Matthew Beem. And why I chose Matthew Beem is because he's known for creating great projects. Hope he sees it, hope it works, because I've never talked to Matthew Beem, so it's gonna be difficult, but let's hope he sees it. Yeah, I have to find something metallic and or anything metallic or strong enough to last long and should be able to stand, make a good play button. Yeah, so after hours of brainstorming, I realized that there's a big cardboard in my house which I can use to create the play button. So I'm gonna figure out how I'll do it and we'll see how it works. The material was so simple, but the play button itself was hard to make. Step 1, I got some cardboard, a wooden stick to strengthen and prevent the cardboard from bending, some ropes to tie the wooden stick to the cardboard. Here I was done making the shape and putting the parts together. Okay, yeah, at the moment I've just written down some letters. Yeah, it's hard to see from far, but if I go close, you can see that there's a little symbol here that's written YouTube. Yeah, then I will add some paint or something, anything white, because I written in white. Then here I'll paint gold or something. Yeah, that you can't see clearly, but at least, yeah, paint gold. The most difficult part which took me days was to shape the letters well in readiness for spray painting. Right now, as you can see, I'm removing the tape. Yeah, so that this part should be spray painted white. The YouTube thing. Put tape all over the cardboard and started cutting the letters using a blade. It took time. After I was done shaping the letters and everything, I went to get some paint at a store. I'm at the store getting some paintings and stuff. So, the gold paint, the white paint here. I did everything and it was time to remove the tip. I thought I'll mess up. Okay, as you can see, I've painted again. I'm going to do the other side also. What's up, guys? Time to remove this thing. Yeah, so here you pass. Did it so gently until the last part. This was before I decided to put Matthew Beem's name. I thought I had finished and it was time to show Matthew Beem. Wait, I think I'm done, right? Yeah, I'm done, guys. Yeah, I'm done. Everything is complete. As you can see, the play button. Bravo, 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 bravo. Step 2. Before I decided to give it to Matthew Beem, I firstly wanted to give it to the smallest YouTuber with a golden play button. I searched on Google and I didn't find any. While thinking about who to give it to, I remembered that Matthew Beem is about to reach 1 million subscribers and he enjoys making big things. Bet you'll be amazed to see it. So I texted him and sent him a couple of pictures, just waiting for a reply. But he did not reply to any of my messages, but this is how I got him to reply. After days without a reply and the publishing date was getting close, I decided to text his friend Clifford to help me Matthew Beem see the play button. When Clifford replied, he was like, haha, how do you do that? Does it have his name on it? Then I replied, I was like, no, anyone's name can be there, that's why I just put your name. After some minutes, he replied again. He was like, going to respond unless it does something with him. He's about to reach 1 million subscribers. So if you could surprise him with it, write his name if possible. This is the reason why I added Matthew Beem's name on the play button. The clip was changing the name from your name here to Matthew Beem got deleted by mistake. So I just had to share a few clips to you guys, and it took long for me to put the letters because I had to repent and stuff, and yeah, many things happened. Like it also took some time, more than I expected. What's up, guys? Yeah, I'm done. I changed the name to Matthew Beem. Yeah, Matthew Beem. Yeah, I'm done with these guys. This was Matthew Beem's response.
Surprise, motherfucker.
He was like, no way, it's crazy. Oh my god, it's crazy. Ah. This was Matthew Beem replying to Clifford's story. He was like, no way, since Clifford wrote something about the play button and Matthew Beem saw it, he was shocked. He was like, no way. Then after some hours, he put it on his story. Oh my gosh, it's worked! If you're enjoying the video, you can simply like it because that would be appreciable. At some point, I even tried to extend it. Trust me, guys, it looked bad. Very, very bad.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Later on, Clifford promised Matthew Beem will comment. So Matthew Beem, comment, please comment.